Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to resize objects to a specific size in Blender. This is the first scene in Blender. I will use the cube to show how to resize the cube to a specific size. Now I select the cube and then go to the side panel. We can find the small arrow, click it to show item tab, and we can find transform panel. Or we can press N to hidden it, press N again to show the transform panel here. Now we can find the dimensions here. We can click and drag to change the size in X, Y, and Z. Or we can type the value. For example, I type 3.05 meters to change the dimension to a specific size. So after adjusting the dimension, make sure that we change the scale to 1, so we can make sure that select the objects again and then go to objects and go to apply. We can find apply scale. Okay, so we can set scale to 1. So this is how we can change the size of objects to a specific size in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.